Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the life you truly want. The car you drive, the house you live in, the people around you, the work you do, the person you've become. Can you see it? Can you feel it? That right there is the power of visualization, and it's one of the greatest tools for achieving success. Every achievement begins twice, first in the mind, then in reality. Before a champion steps into the ring, they've already fought and won in their head. Before an entrepreneur builds a billion-dollar company, they've already imagined it 1,000 times. Visualization is not daydreaming, it's mental rehearsal. It programs your mind and body to believe that what you want is possible. Science backs this up. Studies have shown that athletes who visualize themselves practicing perform nearly as well as those who physically practice. Why? Because your brain doesn't fully distinguish between real experience and vividly imagined experience. When you see it clearly in your mind, your brain creates the same pathways as if you were actually living it. So, how do you use visualization for success? Step 1. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want success." Picture exactly what success looks like to you. What does your ideal day look like? Who are you with? Where are you working? The clearer the image, the stronger the impact. Step 2. Feel it. Don't just see the picture. Step inside it. Feel the emotions. The pride, the joy, the gratitude, the confidence. Visualization works best when it's not just in your head, but in your heart. Step 3. Repeat daily. Make visualization a habit, like brushing your teeth. Even 5 minutes every morning, closing your eyes and seeing your future self, is enough to keep your mind focused on where you're going. And finally, take action. Visualization without action is just a dream. But visualization with action, that's a roadmap. When you clearly see your goal and consistently move toward it, the world starts aligning with your vision. Remember this: if you can't see it, you can't achieve it. Every great success story began in someone's imagination. So stop only looking at what is, start visualizing what can be. The more you see it, the more you believe it. And the more you believe it, the more unstoppable you become. Your future is already waiting. Close your eyes, visualize it, and then open them and go make it real.